Hello everyone. In this video, I will be sharing another US FDA new drug approval update. On July 15, 2026, the US FDA approved a novel macrocyclic peptide once-daily PCSK9 inhibitor, LIPFENDRA, Enlicitide, for lowering bad cholesterol. Specifically, this lipid-lowering therapy is indicated as an adjunct to diet and exercise to reduce low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, LDL-C, in adults with hypercholesterolemia, including heterozygous familial hypercholesterolemia, HeFH. Previous PCSK9 inhibitor medications are monoclonal antibody, small interferon RNA, and furin protein therapeutics, which are all administered subcutaneously. This new approval represents the first oral PCSK9 inhibitor for LDL-C reduction. Now, let's dive into this medication in more detail. Enlicitide, brand name LIPFENDRA. This medication was approved by the US FDA on July 15, 2026, and indicated as an adjunct to diet and exercise to reduce low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, LDL-C, in adults with hypercholesterolemia, including heterozygous familial hypercholesterolemia, HeFH. Chemically, LIPFENDRA is a novel macrocyclic peptide, which is available as Enlicitide decanoate form, with molecular weight of 1,722.12 gram per mole. Notably, LIPFENDRA is formulated with the absorption and permeation enhancer, sodium caprate, to help active pharmaceutical ingredients Enlicitide cross cell membrane. This medication is available as a film-coated tablet. The strength of the tablet is 20 mg with active pharmaceutical ingredients Enlicitide. Recommended dosage 120 mg tablet taken orally once daily on an empty stomach, in the morning with water, black coffee, or plain tea. Swallow the tablet whole. Do not split, crush, or chew the tablet. Mechanistically, this medication works as a PCSK9 inhibitor, preventing LDL-C receptor degradation and increasing LDL-C receptor recycling and expression, increase LDL-C uptake, and therefore lower LDL-C levels in the circulation. Pharmacokinetically, Tmax, the median time to reach the maximal plasma concentration, is approximately 0.5 to 1 hour. The oral bioavailability of Enlicitide is about 1%. Protein binding is concentration dependent and ranges from 32% bound at 1 micromolar to 93% bound at 2 nanomolar. The apparent steady-state volume of distribution of Enlicitide is 2,384 liters. Metabolism: Enlicitide is minimally metabolized. The effective half-life of Enlicitide is approximately 14 hours, and the terminal half-life is approximately 244 hours. Excretion: following RV dosing, Enlicitide is primarily eliminated by glomerular filtration, in the urine approximately 73%, and in the feces about 8%. Drug-drug interactions. No clinically meaningful drug interactions have been observed. Contraindications. Currently, there are no contraindications listed on the prescribing information. The most common adverse reactions in a study of adults with HeFH treated with LIPFENDRA were diarrhea and dizziness. Here are the key sources which I have used to prepare for today's video. The US FDA New Drug Approval Updates for 2026 is a very valuable resource. In addition, most of the medication information which I shared today is based on LIPFENDRA prescribing information. This document is available at the US FDA drug website, along with the drug manufacturer website. Finally, I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for future medication video updates. As always, keep learning and elevating. Thank you so much.